Another change in the Adams administration. New York City Health Commissioner Dr. Ashwin Vasan now says he will be out of the job by the end of the week. In a statement, he says, "It's time for the needs of my family to take precedence. Despite how much I love this job, this work, and this agency, those needs have taken on a greater urgency." Vasan had initially told the mayor he would resign by the end of the year. Meantime, today is the final day for outgoing school chancellor David Banks. And when it comes to the NYPD, we are still awaiting the mayor to announce his new pick to replace the interim police commissioner. The mayor speaking now at an event to honor officers. With the latest, here's Eyewitness News reporter Phil Taitt.
In just a short time, Mayor Adams will have his weekly Q&A, but for him, it's the Adams admin reboot, and that's as he fills holes in his administration after an avalanche of resignations from officials who are under investigation here at City Hall. Now, Governor Hochul has encouraged him to make these changes, and well, we're hearing that she's quite pleased. Just last week, First Deputy Mayor Maria Torres Springer stepped into her new role immediately after she was announced. The internal promotion was welcomed with praise as she's no stranger to City Hall. Her elevation, years in the making, previously serving under former mayoral administrations of de Blasio and Bloomberg. Meantime, Adams is working around the clock to shuffle folks in the administration around or bring new talent to City Hall. This all in the eye of multiple federal investigations, putting a spotlight on City Hall and Adams' close allies who have had their homes searched and phones seized in recent weeks. We spoke with Hochul yesterday, who says Adams is taking a step in the right direction.
I had asked him to work to bring in new blood and new people to help stabilize the city, calm it all down, and he's doing that. And so we're working closely together.
Right now, we're still awaiting the mayor to announce the new police commissioner. Interim Police Commissioner Thomas Donlin has been bridging the gap following the departure of Edward Caban. He also found himself in hot water as law enforcement had executed a search warrant at his Upper East Side residence after they received a tip that he retained classified documents from an investigation during his time with the FBI. Again, we're standing by for the mayor's weekly Q&A, and we've seen how these have gone in weeks past as he's been bombarded with questions in relation to those federal charges he now faces. We're outside of City Hall. I'm Phil Taitt, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.